A very good morning to all my students. Today we are back with our maths class, and the topic that we are going to do today is addition word problems. Okay? So how to understand word problem sums? Okay, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So how will you come to know? So here are some keywords, okay, that is addition keywords. Through this you can understand whether a sum is indicating it is addition sums or it's subtraction, multiplication or division. So for addition keywords, total, in all, sum of and altogether. If you see this mentioned in your word problem sums, so you can get the hint that they are asking you to add. Okay, so from total you understand you have to add, in all means you have to add, sum of means addition, and altogether also means you have to add. So these are the keywords that you have to read when you will see in your word problem. So if you see this keyword in your word problem sums, so you can easily understand that the word problem sum is asking you to add. Okay, so let's go for some example sums. Now here we have example 1, where it says Rohan bought a table for rupees 16,786 and a chair for rupees 7,800. Find the total money spent by him in buying two items. So here you have the keyword that is total. Okay, so from the word total you can understand that you have to add. Okay, so this is the word problem where the question is asking you to add. Understood? So let's go and solve the sums. Okay, I'll show you the process and the format how you will be solving your word problem sums. Now see students, you have to draw a line here and you will write the places here. Okay, so you will write the places here and you will draw a line. You will be writing your statements here. Understood? Now when you will write the places here, that means your addition you will show here. Clear? Separately. So your addition part is also clear, your statement part is also clear. Okay, many of you write statement that enters in the sum also. Okay, where is your addition part we don't get to see. Okay, it gets very confusing. So it's better if you draw a line, okay, a little bigger than the rough column. Actually this is not your rough column, it's just the place where you will show your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can show it separately in a very neat way. Understood? And your statements you will be writing in this side. Clear? So your statement and your working are separate, so we can see both the things very clearly. So here the cost of table is rupees 16,786. So when I'm writing this amount here, I will write from my right hand side. See, 6 is in ones place, so I'll write 6 here. 8 is in my tens place, so I'll write 8 here. 7 is in my hundreds place, I'll write 7 here. 6 is in my thousands place, I'll write 6 here. And 1 is in my 10,000s place, I'll write 1 here. Okay, so you have to maintain the places. Clear? Now, and a chair for rupees 7,800. So cost of chair equals to, now 0. 0 is in ones place, I'll write it just below ones place. Then again 0 is in tens place, I'll write 0 in tens place. Then 8 is in my hundreds place, I'll write hundreds place, and 7 is in my thousands place. I'll write it here. I'll place comma and I'll write rupees here. See how I have written it here. I have maintained the places properly. If you are not maintaining it correctly, then only your answers will be wrong. So you have to maintain ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s place, and you have to place the numbers accordingly. Clear? So here I have to find total. Here I have to find total. That means it is to add. So I'll put an addition sign here. You may put here also. Depends. Okay. Now I will be adding it up. 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. I'll write 5. 1 carried over. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 comes down and 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is 24,586 rupees. Don't forget to mention rupees. Okay, you have to write rupees all the time. So here, this is the total cost of items equals to, so the total cost of items equals to rupees 24,586. Now my sums is not over. Okay, in problem sums, narration is very important. Without narration, your answer is not complete. So you have to give your narrations. Many of you have an habit of completing your sums here only. That is total cost, whatever the last line after doing the sum, whatever the last line comes, and you end your sums here only. The reason why you don't get the full marks. Okay, to get full marks, you have to write narration, which is very important. So here my narration is the total money spent by him in buying 2 items is rupees 24,586. Clear? So this is your answer, and now your answer is complete. Without narration, your answer is incomplete. Understood? So have you seen the format, how you have to solve the sums? You have to draw a line, your working you have to show it here, and your statement you will show here, and then the final narration will come. Understood?